Hi, this is Saad from RentViewer, and I'd like to give you an overview of our process for building your custom dashboard. Now, if this is how you're tracking your KPIs today using Excel and manually exporting data, there is a better way. We can build you a custom dashboard that'll display your KPIs visually and will refresh automatically. Here are some examples, and you can see more on our catalog. Now, we work exclusively with real estate investment and management companies. And in fact, we've worked with more than 100 companies and built more than 500 dashboards. And best of all, we have worked with the most commonly used systems such as Rent Manager, Appfolio, Entrada, Yardi, and others. And best of all, we have a proven process for turning your idea into reality. There are 5 steps in our process, and depending upon the complexity of your dashboard, the entire process can take anywhere from 5 to 15 days. Now, this process is described in more detail on our website under the menu for Services, Custom Dashboard. I'll give you a brief overview here. So the first step is the idea phase. And our goal is to understand what you'd like, what your vision is, and understand the KPIs that you track and the systems that you use. And based on our understanding, we'll provide you a rough cost estimate. If the cost estimate is within your budget, we'll go to the blueprint phase. So in the blueprint, we roll up our sleeves and get into the details. We understand how you're making your calculations, where you're getting the data from, and what it'll take to build a dashboard. We create the specifications for the front end, as well as how to automate the data refresh, and then we'll provide you an accurate quote. Now we do charge for the blueprint, and if the code is not within your budget, there's no obligation to move forward. So after the blueprint, we go to the build phase, and in this phase, we actually start building your dashboard. So we will build the front end and the visual elements, and also build the back end connections, and then automate the data refresh. And after the build phase, we go to testing. And in testing, we make sure that your data is accurate and that your KPIs are being calculated accurately at every level of detail. Once you're satisfied with the testing results, we'll go to the launch phase. So here we'll publish your dashboard so that you can access it on a web page and interact with it. And we'll provide you training and we'll set up the security. And once everything is working as expected, we'll turn it over to you. Would you like to turn your dashboard idea into reality? Well, the next step is to get started by booking the ideation meeting.